Welcome to this quick tutorial on how to install the Delta Pixel app in your Shopify store. Delta Pixel, also known as Shop Talk, is a powerful tool that helps you track events from platforms like Facebook, TikTok, and Google Ads, all in one place. Step 1. Open the Shopify App Store, search for Delta Pixel. You should see an app titled Delta TikTok Pixel, Facebook Pixel by Delta Commerce. Click on it to open the app page. Step 2. Add the app to your store. Once you're on the app page, click Install App. Step 3. Choose a subscription plan. Once installed, you'll be taken to the Delta Pixel dashboard. Here, you can choose the plan that works best for your needs. There's a 7-day free trial, so you can try everything out first. Click Start Free Trial and confirm your plan. Step 4. Delta Pixel Dashboard. The Delta Pixel Dashboard provides a centralized view of your pixel analytics and performance across 3 major platforms: Google, Facebook, and TikTok. Top summary tiles: Google Events, Graph Conversion Reports, Facebook Events, TikTok Events. Step 5. Delta App. Embed Status. Click on the embed icon and simply enable the toggle to activate Delta App Embed in your Shopify store. Once connected, with confirmation that Delta App 2.0 Embed is live and synced. That's it. Your Delta Pixel app is now installed and running. Thanks for watching.